Once you learn how to trade, it's literally like learning how to legally print money. It's freaking crazy. If you don't know how to trade, you need to learn because this is a skill that can change your life. What is goody, my people? We are back again with another gem. Listen. Today I have some super hot fire heat for you, baby. You know what I'm saying? I'm finna show y'all a trade that I took literally this morning that made me over $11,000 within 13 minutes, I think, or something like that. I'm gonna show y'all why I entered the trade. I'm gonna show y'all me during the live trade itself, and I'm gonna show y'all exactly how I knew this trade was finna hit. I'm gonna show y'all a secret. Can't even talk right. Maybe the secret don't want to come out, but a secret strategy that I might have just figured out that will absolutely finesse the trading game. So if you're excited for this video, smash the freaking like button. Subscribe if you're not subscribed already. And hit that post notification bell so you can be notified whenever I drop these bangers. And I appreciate y'all so much for 200K on here. We're going crazy. We got verified on Instagram. Go follow me over there at Joovier_. You go see my trades and all that every single day if I don't post on YouTube. But without further ado, man, let's hop into this freaking video. All right, so boom, let's break down this trade first, and then I'll show you guys the actual live trade so you guys can see my reaction while I'm in the trade, see my emotions during it, what I'm saying, how I'm staying focused, how I'm kind of just my thought process during the trade. But let's break down the trade beforehand. So this is kind of like a three confluence trade for me. We have the VWAP, we have support and resistance, and then we have the money maker, my super scalping strategy. Now, if you don't know what my super scalping strategy is, it is inside of my profitable strategies course down inside the description down below. Literally, this and the Heikin-Ashi breakout strategy has been absolutely freaking killing the game. I get DMs all the time. I'll put some screenshots up from there from just some of my students that have the profitable strategies course. But I'm gonna try and go through the strategy a little bit here. But if you guys want more in depth of it and also all the other strategies that I use on a daily basis to print freaking money, hit that link inside my bio or the link inside of my description. I'll also put inside the comment section down below. I have 3 courses on there. There's a profitable strategies one, there's a Forex 101 course, then there's a crypto course. The strategies that I'm talking about is in the profitable strategies one. So get that one if you want my strategies. But if you're new and don't know how to trade, the Forex 101 course is completely for beginners, and then you get the strategy course after that. But let's hop right into this. So like I said, the VWAP was one of my confluences as well as the support and resistance on the 5-minute. And then I saw my entry on the 1 minute using the super scalping strategy. So I'm gonna break it down as if just from scratch, right? I have a blank chart right here. This is ES, which is the S&P 500 futures contracts. All I saw was this resistance zone right here. We had multiple taps right here, and then when it came up here this morning, this is the trade right here, but when it came up here this morning at around 9:15, I was waiting for a rejection off of here. So I went down to my 1 minute time frame. Keep in mind the VWAP is in this zone right here, which basically it's an indicator that's just a volume based kind of moving average, kind of. I like it way more than a moving average, and I talk about it inside the strategies course as well as to why I like it more than a moving average. But for me, it just makes more sense than a moving average personally. Like I feel like it lies less, if that makes sense. So once I saw it come up here into this zone on the 1 minute, I was waiting for a candlestick that looked exactly like this. So once I saw this candlestick, because this aligns with my super scalping strategy, I came right here. I entered a little bit early. So I entered like roughly right here, and my stop loss right above this body, just because of the fact that I know if it goes above this, it's most likely going to retrace all the way back up here, just from the back testing and everything like that I've done. Yeah, so that's why I put my stop loss right there. A super tight stop loss, and the bottoms or the take profit I was aiming for, I had multiple, right? But I was just watching it. So my first take profit was obviously this zone right here. Hold on, let me draw a straight line. I guess I'm not going to draw a straight line. But we obviously had multiple taps here during during the beginning of the New York session. We had right here, then we had right here. So this was my first take profit zone. The reason I stayed in this trade longer to my second take profit zone is just due to the Heikin-Ashi candles. They did not change green, so I was still confident that this was going to continue to go down. That's why I decided to stay in this trade to my full take profit. And I talk about the Heikin-Ashi. I'm like the Heikin-Ashi candlestick GOAT. You know what I'm saying? I talk about it in the Forex course as well as, or the Forex 101 course, the beginners course, as well as the profitable strategies. But I think I'm the best Heikin-Ashi candlestick trader in the entire freaking world. I'm claiming that title right now. But I talk about it in both those courses, especially in the strategies course, I believe. Because that's what a lot of the strategies are based off, the Heikin-Ashi candlesticks. And it's very foreign to a lot of people. A lot of people don't even know what the Heikin-Ashi candlesticks are and how to use them and how they just simplify trading. But anyways, that's besides the point. I also have a YouTube video on the Heikin-Ashi candlesticks too. Yeah, watch that if you haven't. But my full take profit was actually aligned with these lows down here. So if we go back a couple of days, we had a couple of, like this rally up. There was a lot of kind of rally, retest, that kind of thing. So I had mine for this first rally, well, the most recent rally right here, because I didn't know if it would continue to go off of this, because this was a huge like supply zone personally, well, demand zone, sorry, because it came down here, then it shot up crazily. So this was a support or resistance zone, well, a support zone, as well as like a supply zone, well, demand zone. I don't know why I'm mixing them up, but this was a support zone as well as the demand zone in my eyes, just due to how fast price moved up on here. That's why I put my take profit for this first zone right here instead of aiming for this these lows right here or these lows down here. And it actually worked out perfectly because it bounced right off of it. This is basically what my trade looked like. This is almost technically exactly what my trade looked like. This is exactly what it was. So that's why I aim for these lows right here. I explained to you guys why I didn't go for the other ones, just because this zone right here just looked a lot stronger than the other ones. And it ended up playing out because if I held for the other ones, we would have lost. As you see, it would have came all the way back up. Well, we wouldn't have lost, but it would have came all the way back up. We wouldn't have hit take profit. So that is the trade. Now I'm going to show y'all the exact live trade of me hopping into the trade, my emotions during it. I highly suggest you guys watch through this full video so you guys can kind of see how I'm able to stay calm during these situations, even when it's consolidating and stuff like that. So yeah, play the clip. I like this. I'm in
Order filled.
I'm in it. A little aggressive entry, but I'm in it, man. I feel like I haven't recorded a trade in a very, very long time, but we are back. Hopefully we win this, because then we'll really be back. If we lose this, I don't know if we back. I got myself some breakfast. So hopefully this trade slaps as much as this food does. All right, it looks like we're losing out on some volume here, but I'm going to continue to hold this, honestly, because I'm not scared. You know what I'm saying? I'm a man. I'm not scared of this. This is just a couple of numbers on the screen. Now, but realistically, the trade still looks valid, and we're getting a nice candlestick right now, so I'm gonna hold this. Golly, this thing is zooming. This thing just broke that consolidation section that we had here. Honestly, we needed to just break this lower day, and we'll be extremely valid. And when I say extremely valid, we'll be extremely valid. Looks like it's about to break this lower day. Give it to me. Give me this break, please. I'm begging you. I'll give you $1. The market likes $1. You have to bribe the market. This is exactly what you have to do. We're right by our take profit. We're literally right on our take profit right now. I'm gonna let it take me out though. I'm gonna let it take me out. Come on, man. Just one more push. I give you $1. I give you $1 if you push one more time. Okay, I give you $5 if you push one more.
Order canceled.
You greedy bastard. You know what I'm saying? Listen, man, I do this every day. I do this every freaking day. If y'all want to learn how to trade how I trade, hit that link in my bio. Stop playing with me. I just figured out a new strategy. Bribe the market. Works every time. All right, y'all, that's the end of the freaking video, man. Listen, hopefully y'all enjoyed the breakdown as well as the live trading. If you did, smash that like button. I would greatly appreciate it. And if you want to learn to trade how I trade, you want to learn my exact strategies broken down in depth with multiple examples, I'm about to add some more content in there literally this week. I'm adding quizzes so you guys can test yourself to know if you actually understand the information right, and if not, you go back on it and actually learn it more. So I'm adding a bunch of stuff to it, and I'm gonna have to raise the price when I do that because it is a lot more work and a lot of money I gotta put into it. But you can cop the courses now, and you'll get all that content, that extra content for free once I do update it. So if y'all want to learn how to trade how I trade, hit the link inside my description or inside the comment section down below. And like I explained for you guys, the profitable strategies is for people who already know the basics. That's just going to show you my strategies. That's that value right there. The Forex 101 course is for my beginners, the people who don't know nothing. If you that, go get it. And I also got a crypto course in there so you can learn how to make money in all aspects of trading. But yeah, that's right about the end of the video. If you enjoyed this video, I highly suggest you watch this video right here. I did a full day in the life of my trading, just a full day in the life personally. I was out and about watching movies, trading. I think I made $10,000 on that day or whatever. So yeah, you would definitely enjoy that video. So click right there, and I'm gonna see you on the next video.